Let me go to QA32, and if I execute it, there are few lots, and if I want to see that in this particular lot, what all MICs are used, then we have to go to the edit inspection lot, inspection specification. I can check in the inspection plan against this group and group counter, these two activities operations are involved. The description where the MICs which are used are these. At the table level, if I want to see the same information, then there is a separate table for the operation, and for the MICs which are used, another table is used for it. And for the inspection lot, there is another table. So there are three different tables to fetch the same information for the inspection lot. Okay, so let's try to combine these three tables and get the information. Let me open another session, SE16H. Press enter key. It is a general table display. Here, if I enter QALS table for the inspection lot record, press enter key. Here I can enter that same inspection lot number. Click on execute, then it will give me the inspection lot relevant information. So this is the group, and the group counter is 1. Even like my sample size is this, that information I can get from here. But for the MIC or the operations which are used, I have to use another table. PLPO, press enter key, and here you can enter the filters like your task list is Q, and my group was 195, and click on execute. Node 1 and node 2, these are the two activities or the operations which are involved. Description which is maintained is this. And if I want to see the information for the MICs, then we have to use the table PLMK, press enter key, and here again I can enter my task list and the group and click on execute. Then these are the MICs which are assigned color clarity in this. Let's see if I want all these three tables information. How can I get it? So let me remove this, and if I enter say QALS as my table, main table, press enter key, which is for the inspection lot record, you get the option to join the tables. So we can create maintenance of the relationship. If you want to create a new entry, then click on maintenance of the relationship. Here you can enter the name for the outer join. It's a test, and I'm entering the same here as the name. Click on new entries or create. Okay, at present status is this, and here this is my primary table, which is QALS. We want to join another table, that will be the secondary table, and here you can enter the secondary table as PLPO, which is for the operation. Click on this define output fields, in which we will be telling which field we want as an output. Say I want the operation short text to be displayed, and the description I am selecting. Even if there is any deletion mark indicator is there, I can select that. Okay, and task list node I'm selecting. Okay, let me keep this much only. Here you will get two option. One is check the entries, and another is apply the entries. Click on apply the entries. Okay, you need to select this and click on maintain details. At present this field is blank. Once you click on this, it is populated with PLPO, which is my secondary table. And here you will be telling the field which will be linking these two tables. So in this table PLPO, I have a group field which is common. So I can use this as a field which can be used to map these two tables. You can click on insert rows or click on create. Okay, then you will be able to get the entries here. Let me remove one entry, then you can remove it using this. Here I can enter the field name, which is this, which is actually a group we use, and need to tell the method. So I'm selecting as a reference. Again, the reference field which will be used is same I'm entering, and my table name, which is QALS. Then again click on the apply entries. Okay, say yes. And here again I'm entering that same lot number, which is this, and then click on execute. So I will get, okay, you can see at present it is just giving me QALS information. Here you need to select the one which we have just now created, which is test. I have entered the inspection lot number. Click on execute. I am getting two entries. Initial part you will get the QLS information only, but on the extreme right you will also get the information of the secondary table where we have specified that we need a node number, which is the operation number only 1 and 2, and this is the operation short text which is maintained for it. Let me go back. The MICs also to be displayed which are used in these operations. For the first operation, let's see, we have these three MICs. Click on again maintenance of the relationship. Click on again change because we have already created it now. At present only one table is added, but for the MIC it is PLMK table. So again, either you click on insert row or you can click on create. So click on create. Second entry is coming, and here I can enter table name, which is PLMK for my MIC. Again, you will click on define the output fields. Here we can specify what all things we want from this table, which is for the inspection plan MIC. So I can select say MIC, its version, inspection method if it is assigned, sampling procedure also. So whatever field you want from this table, you can select that, like the catalogs, selected sets you want. There are two fields which are common, which is one is the group, which is present in both the table, QALS table also, and even PO table. And another is task list node, which is present in my PLPO. Let's first add this PLNR. Click on again apply entries. There you select the row and click on maintain details. It will be added, or simply double click on it. It is added here. Again, you will click on create. Then the field is in now editable. Again, I can enter the field name, which was this, okay, which is group. You can specify the reference, and again you are entering this, and the table which should be used is for the reference table. This time I'm entering PLPO. Click on apply the entries, say yes, and let's see again if I execute it. For this inspection lot, we are getting these entries, operation short text coming, and the physical the chemical description, and under the node 1 these entries are coming, under node 2 again these entries are coming. Go back, and if I group it as per the lot number. Let's execute it. So I'm getting under this group MICs, multiple entries of the MICs against that same node are coming. Even the deletion mark you can add if you want in this. Let me again go to the change mode for this join. PLMK, if I add one more entry, let's add even the node also, which is this. Okay, continue, and I am entering it here, and the reference key again entering this, and here again I am entering PLPO. The deletion mark I am adding here. If we have deleted it, that entry will be reflected. Continue, continue, say yes, and now let's execute it. So this time I am getting under the node 1. These are the MICs which are present, and under node 2, these are the MICs. Lot details here under the operation first. This is my operation, which is physical inspection. Under that, I have these three MICs. In this, for the first operation, I have these three MICs. Okay, color clarity in this sampling procedure, which is used, is same only. And if we check the second operation, which is 20, for the chemical inspection, we have these three MICs. Under the second node for the chemical inspection, these are the entries which are coming. Combine multiple table using the transaction SE16H. Let's take any other lot and see the detail for that also. And we will again go to this. Let's go back. And here I'm entering this lot number. Click on execute. So it is saying no entry found. Let me go back, and here it's in release date. In the inspection specification, here you can see no details are coming for the plan. Okay, that's why it was giving me the blank entry. If I remove the filter for the inspection lot and just execute it under this inspection lot, what are the operations involved in which node, and even the deletion mark indicator, you can see if it is added